you've seen the footage. A 130-pound man sending a 200-pound athlete flying with a punch that traveled only 1 inch. Was it a movie trick or was it pure physics? Today, I am breaking down the explosive power of Bruce Lee and showing you how you can use these biomechanics to end a fight in seconds, regardless of your size. But before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I am Amir Otay, a 5th degree black belt in Karate Kempo and an international self-defense expert. My mission is to share the true science of combat and help you achieve the ultimate version of yourself, physically, mentally, and spiritually. When you follow this channel, you aren't just learning how to fight, you are learning how to master your own potential. Now, let's get back to the secret. Most people think a powerful punch comes from the biceps or shoulders. They are wrong. Bruce Lee didn't punch with his arm, he punched with the entire planet. He used what we call the kinetic chain. The power starts from the ground, travels through the legs, and is multiplied by the hips before it ever reaches his knuckles. Let's analyze the 3 pillars of his power. First, the lead foot pivot. Notice how his lead foot explodes into the floor. That's the spark. Second, the hip snap. This is the engine. He rotates his hips at lightning speed, turning linear force into rotational torque. And third, the whip effect. His arm stays relaxed until the millisecond of impact. It's not a push, it's a snap, like a whip. That's why his strikes were so heavy for his weight. In a real street encounter, you don't have space to wind up a big punch. You are often grabbed or cornered. This is where Bruce Lee's short power is a lifesaver. If you are smaller than your attacker, you cannot rely on mass. You must rely on acceleration and structure. By mastering these mechanics, you neutralize the size advantage of any attacker. Here is a technical tip from my years of training. Keep your hand as loose as a wet towel. Only clench your fist at the very last microsecond of impact. Tension is the enemy of speed. If your muscles are tight, you are breaking your own punch. Be fluid. Be like water. Bruce Lee wasn't a superhuman. He was a master of efficiency. If you want to develop this explosive speed at home, I'm building a complete system called the Street Defense Blueprint. Check the link in the description to join the waitlist. Train hard, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.